this is Sarah Meixel, and today we're here with Jordan Gebhardt. He is a PhD candidate and a veterinary student at Kansas State University. So thanks for being with us today, Jordan.
Thank you very much for having me.
Very good. And we're here at ASV, and you've got a poster and have done some research. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Absolutely. So following the introduction of PEDv in the United States in 2013, feed was thought to be a potential contributor to the spread of the virus throughout the United States. So our role with this particular study was to evaluate if we could control the spread of PED within feed manufacturing facilities to reduce the potential to spread to other farms. So what we did was we inoculated batches of feed with virus, and then we ran that up with the following subsequent batch of flush feed, and then we ran that with the initial PED negative feed following that, and then we used PCR analysis as well as swine bioassay to determine if those samples did cause infection in naive pigs. And what we found was that following manufacturing PED inoculated feed within feed mills, it generates a tremendous amount of dust, and that dust goes everywhere within the facility and does contain a very large amount of virus. And this study was one of the first studies to show that when in an experimental setting, when we collect that dust following manufacturing PED positive feed and put that into naive pigs, that dust can in fact cause an infection. So that was one of the main takeaways from this point and from this particular study. And one of the other ones was that the use of Rysol flushes to flush feed manufacturing equipment following mixing PED positive feed is efficacious at reducing the amount of quantifiable RNA present within that feed manufacturing facility, as well as treating those Rysol flushes with commercial formaldehyde or 10% medium chain fatty acid blend is efficacious at reducing the infectivity of that dust that's collected following that feed manufacturing.
Very good. And so what does this mean for producers and for the industry and for feed mills? What does it ultimately mean? What's the practical use?
Absolutely. At K-State, that's what we're very focused on, and I think the big takeaway from this particular project is that the control of biosecurity of our feed manufacturing facilities, because this study shows that it is very difficult to get the virus out of the feed manufacturing facility or feed mill once it enters the facility, so therefore it's important initially to keep it out. So that means our biosecurity principles to keep the virus out in the first place are very important. But if in fact it does get into the feed mill, we are developing procedures to potentially get it out of the feed manufacturing facility to ensure that no further animals get sick with the virus or any other biological contaminants.
Very good. Thank you so much for all the information today, Jordan.
Thank you very much for having me.
Very good. This is Sarah Meixel reporting.